Hey guys, Matt here. So welcome back to my weekly portfolio update. Now, it's been a few weeks. It's been about 2 weeks, but hey, better late than never, right? And I gotta say, during the last portfolio update, I was barely in the green. I was less than 1% in the green. And at that time, I was pretty sure that, I mean, I was going to go into the red. Like, I was one bad day from going into the red. But as far as I know, my account never did. And here we are about 2 weeks later. I'm sitting at 15.1% gains. And that is even with the down day today. Like, we are sitting at $68,193.53. That is really good. Considering if you've been following my portfolio updates for a while, like, things have not been so hot as of late. Like, take a look at Gevo. Have you seen this number for a while? I'm only down 5.3%. I'm only down 5.3%. And that's with me being down 30-40% on the stock, I think about a month or so ago. Yeah, it is climbing its way back up. Take a look at Palantir. I was down 30-40% of that stock. Yeah, it's climbing its way back up very, very slowly. Now, is this rally going to continue? Is it going to drop right back down? Who knows? But we'll talk about that in a second. ARK, it's slowly climbing its way back up. It's got a long way to go, but I'm going to keep buying ARK. We'll talk about that in a second. FedEx is climbing its way back. Facebook is climbing its way back. I mean, I remember back, I think a month or so ago when it dropped below 200. Yeah, I capitalized on that. We got Revolve coming back above the 300% mark. So that is, clawing its way back. AT&T, we're down to only 11% loss, which is better than 15% from earlier. Like, things are on its way back as of right now. Hopefully I didn't jinx it, but so far, things are going pretty well. Now, as far as the recent moves I made, now I haven't bought anything this week because I've been really busy with work. Like, my first job is, yeah, it's taking up most of my time, and the time I have left, I really don't want to spend it looking at stocks. Just to keep it real. But this on the 21st, I bought some ARK, I bought some Palantir, Intel, FedEx, and then, of course, I bought a lot of Facebook. And that's what I want to talk about. I think tomorrow, I'm probably going to buy some more ARK just to put my weekly purchase in. And, yeah, I want to talk about, the market the past couple of weeks, months, or whatever. Is that, yeah, I did not do anything special. There weren't any fancy moves I made as far as, and during the months long downturn, the year-long drop in the market, I haven't done anything special. Like, I am not a stock market expert. I'm not a guru. I'm no financial education. I may not even be good at this. And honestly, like, there are YouTubers like me, Kevin, Tom Nash, and them. They're supposed to be good at this. And then we got me, Kevin, freaking selling all of its stocks and stuff like that, trying to tighten the market, saying that things were about to get much worse. And they got a little worse, but it got better. It did not get anywhere near as bad as me, Kevin, said. And he's supposed to be good at this. He's supposed to be much better at this than I am. But things did not turn out that way. And then we got Tom Nash talking about freaking, he was also timing the market, waiting for the Fed to hike interest rates, and that was the moment when everything was going to go bad and he was going to buy in. Fed hike interest rates, that did not happen. That did not happen at all. So I gotta say, like, say what you will about financial education and YouTube channels like Joseph Carlson. I really respect them a lot more because their strategy has been pretty much the same. They bought great companies, they held on, and they did nothing. And if you take a look at my balance history over the past couple of weeks, yeah, look at this. 59K as of March the 14th to 68K now. I mean, and that's with me doing nothing except for putting money in weekly and doing nothing. Now, that doing nothing is a sort of a disciplinary skill that takes quite a long time to master. I'll be the first to tell you that. Now, as far as what I'm doing now, my strategy going forward, a lot of these stocks have bounced back considerably, and so I'm probably going to put my 250 a week in the ARK for the time being, since that's the one that's down the most. I'm going to keep doing that until it rallies. And then at that point, I will probably taper off my weekly purchases and I will come up with some other strategy. So, because right now, what I've done so far seems to be working very, very well. Now, I did get some comments that asked me to look into a stock, Nano Dimension. I think that's a stock. I'm looking into it now. I don't have an opinion on it just yet, and I'm not in any hurry to come to one because, honestly, there is no reason, and this is something I learned over the past year, there is no reason at all for me to come to any sort of a quick conclusion of this stock. There is no reason, there is no need for me or anyone else to buy the stock right now. I can take my time, research it, come to a conclusion, and then whether I like it, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll tell you. Or if I'm somewhere in the middle, I'll tell you. But right now, I am in no real need to buy any new stocks. The stocks I have now, I'm pretty happy with. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.